Yo, part 19.
Oh shit, what up? That's a new intro thing. Oh
Yeah.
shit, what up?
Yeah.
I'm just over here trying to collect these boxes.
That should be your catchphrase.
Oh
That makes
shit,
perfect
what
sense.
up? Hold on,
Yeah.
fix this remote real quick because coilix damages remote. This is.
Oh, I'm gonna buy a new
Whoa!
PlayStation 3 remotes. Oh yeah, that is the gun you want right there.
Yeah.
Dare I say, even more useful than the Rhino.
Really?
Those two guns at the end, those three right there,
Bouncer,
mini rocket and plasma core. That's the trifecta
so I
of doom.
need
That will destroy everybody in the game's life.
about 300,000.
Yeah. And that is your goal to accomplish.
Hold on, I forgot how to play.
I think if you kill all the birds, you get a skill point.
Well, I ain't
I'm just saying.
We should have done it.
Yes, that sucks.
Yeah.
You know another one? It's better on smaller enemies.
Oh wait. Where's the map? Okay. Something over there. What's that mission?
This is like a whole arena hoverbike level. Oh, okay.
Bolts! That would be. I think I'm gonna save up for the plasma coil first.
Yeah.
What? I didn't mean that. Can I redo that?
Redo what?
That. Bring that bridge down.
No. Why would you ever redo it?
I wasn't paid for it.
What are you doing?
It's not.
What are you?
Nice finish on that chrome. You buffed this out yourself?
I handle my own buffing, sir.
Oh, sorry, little man. I thought you was a crankshaft. Can't see my own hand in front of my face without these.
No problem. So, how do I enter the big race?
Well, you got the helmet. You're in. Easy peasy. The prize this time is some kind of special boots. I could use those myself. They'd go real nice with my leather chaps.
Cool.
I don't like the way he talked to me. Okay, how do I drive?
Probably at holding X. And then R1 is for turbo, or L1. I think L1 shoots things. You get those square boxes.
Wow. Really how do I jump? Oh really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta watch out for that. You have to be quick.
These dudes love my ass.
You're good, you're good. Whoa!
Oh shit, let's do it.
I think this one's better. And then, you get to, I think, the third race on this path. There's two secret paths, I don't know.
Okay, I should read it.
Yeah, it would be nice to get that. Don't go too far to the right, you'll blow up. Oh!
Shut up. I don't want you talking right now. Oh, I lost. Oh wait, I'm first.
By a decent amount.
Really?
Yeah. use it. Done.
Done like dinner.
That was pretty intense.
Dang, I wanted these boots myself.
Then you
They'll
should
look real nice when
participate
you're
in the race.
You can race again, you know. Now the prize is a bunch of bolts.
Should I get bolts?
To activate the charge boots, double tap and hold R1.
I have so much fun games. This. Right?
4,000. All turrets active. Weapon and turbo.
Challenge 2.
Should probably have like a new version of this. Ratchet and Clank too.
Do you think it'll still keep the races alive?
Yeah. I think I read that I was supposed to sell hover bike races. Oh, good thing you had that. Another 2 of them. 3 of them.
Suck. Yeah. Killing that thing.
You've been deaded. You got dead, son.
Nice and slow wins a race.
Ooh, you're stocking up. See, now you get the strategy down.
Go overlap this dude.
That's good.
I just overlapped this
Yeah.
dude.
You got pro. Are you even secretly playing this?
No. Why would I play this on my free time? I'm gonna have like 8 other games.
8 other games. You've only been playing one of them.
Oh, I just overlapped another one. What do you mean? The Division,
I haven't seen Play
NBA.
Division in years.
More boats?
If you want to.
More boots open.
Yeah, there's 2 secret routes.
Is this one of them? How is this a secret?
It's not secret.
Something we can right?
To the right. You already passed it though. It's a pretty good one
I think I just got one.
though. No.
This is a
This
secret.
has always been it. It leads you right to where you land. It's a shortcut. Well, the other way is a shortcut.
I got pushed.
Ooh, what?
Damn it!
Just do it. To the right. To the right. Nope. Right there! That's... You need a turbo though. You need to...
Can I redo this?
Yeah, but I just want to... I want to show you the secret location. So
Don't worry, when you can just backseat game.
Alright. No, I don't do that anymore. You can't see the circle. I know. Look at the right. Oh. Yeah.
Okay.
You didn't know, you didn't.
Yeah. Oh my lord.
It's alright. Once you get the shortcuts, you'll be golden.
almost half of them just died.
Oh,
Why is it so hard to do this
you
one?
can't go wicked fast when you try and turn.
What?
Oh, you want that? Don't worry, you'll have 2 more laps to do it. It's a long shortcut. Yeah, and then you go, but you don't have a turbo, so you're really gonna die? No? Wow. Wowzer.
Is there any more?
No.
Time to try hard. Right.
Nice.
I'm so mad that I jumped
You
over that
bounced right
boost.
over it. You are killing it right now.
So I gotta think shortcuts. I think I'm so far ahead I can just easily sleep.
Yeah, you are ridiculously far ahead.
I'm surprised it didn't blow up.
That was a combination.
Even though I restarted 2 times, but you know, none of my business.
Yeah, but that was a perfect roll. Wow. Alright, that was impressive. Next part,
We'll do challenge
we're gonna
4.
finish it off. Oh, there's another.